In this video, we're going to learn how multiplication and division sentences are related. So if we have something like this that says if 10 times 3 equals 30, then 30 divided by what equals 3? So we have a little model here that can help us figure that out, right? So we have 3 groups, and then inside each group, there's 10 circles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this multiplication tells us that when we multiply 10 times 3, we get 30. So 30 circles in total, right? 10, 20, 30. 30 circles. What this division is trying to say here is if we have 30 circles and we divide it into what, that's going to give us 3 groups. Right? So we have 3 groups. So the number we're trying to find here, we could see, is 10. So let's put that in green. So this number is going to be 10 because we know that 30 divided by 10 is going to give us 3 groups, right? So if we take all these 30 circles, divide them into 10 individual parts, then we're going to get three groups. And that's the end. And that's how multiplication and division are related. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just rewatch the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. And also, I have an ebook that you could download and you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook.